This week, my sister and brother's birthdays. We used to celebrate together when we were growing up back in Belarus, but now that we're thousands and thousands of kilometers apart from each other, we can't. But I still want to celebrate it with them, and I am going to make the cake for their birthday that we grew up eating. That was a focal point of all of our birthdays and holidays and celebrations, and it's a honey cake. It's a beautiful layered cake, and like a lot of foods and smells from your childhood, when you see it and eat it and smell it again, it brings a lot of memories. That's what this cake is. Every time I make it, every time I taste it, I'm transported back to my childhood, back to the home where I grew up with my family, and it's such a sweet memory. I want to pass this memory and create this memory in my kids as well, and I want this cake to be a focal point of our family, just like it was with my family when I was growing up. turned out to be so soft, so smooth,
and so delicious.
and so delicious. It doesn't have an egg. I use sour cream instead of an egg.
Yep.
It melts in your mouth. It's not sweet. It's perfect.
But it's kind of good for me.
It's a great celebration cake because you can eat a lot of it. You guys love it? It's awesome. It's a really good cake.
Even he loves it.
I forgot my cheese.